Curfew in Saharanpur continues in western Uttar Pradesh after 3 people were killed and 20 others were injured in violent clashes between 2 groups on Saturday. The clashes broke out over construction on a disputed piece of land. There was some amount of violence yesterday with shops being burnt, cars including some police vans were set on fire and the office of the local fire department was gutted. Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav is taking no chances and has deployed paramilitary forces and rushed senior officials from Lucknow. This, of course, in the wake of the riots that UP saw in Muzaffarnagar last year. Home Minister Rajnath Singh is also assured that they will be sending 6 companies of paramilitary forces by today for assistance. Meanwhile, aerial surveillance of large areas with unmanned aerial vehicles is being done by the state administration to keep a close watch on the situation.
We are joined by the district magistrate of this area. Ma'am, first of all, the question to you is, you have done surveys in the morning rounds in this very sensitive spot where both communities live almost side by side. What have you seen so far? And by talking to them, does it seem that the situation is much more calm than yesterday?
Yeah, certainly. Situation is much more better than yesterday.
What are they telling you? I mean, like, you know, this sparked off almost within
minutes. I am not talking them. I have to just impose the law and order in the city, and city is quite normal now.
Ma'am, I mean, this entire dispute started over this piece of land. So essentially, as we had been discussing since yesterday, that they are saying that they have a court order. The other community is saying that there was no order.
I'm not going into this dispute. I have only my one concern that the map is not approved by the development authority. That's all.
So now the construction is definitely on hold. They have ensured to you.
On hold. It is on hold.
They have assured to you that they won't be going.
I'm not going to take their assurance. Okay. I'm going to enforce it that it must be stopped.
And it's just a day after those clashes in Saharanpur in which 3 people died and 20 people were injured. But already the political blame game has begun.
सांप्रदायिकता के लिए, अराजक तत्वों के लिए, असामाजिक तत्वों के लिए कोई स्थान नहीं। यहाँ कानून का राज है। अगर कुछ लोग, विपक्षी लोग राजनीति करने की इसमें कोशिश करेंगे तो फिर कानून भी अपना काम करेगा।
उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार पूरी तरह से उत्तर प्रदेश का शासन चलाने में नाकामयाब है। वहां जो शासन में बैठे लोग हैं वो खुद चाहते हैं कि उत्तर प्रदेश में सांप्रदायिक तनाव पैदा हो ताकि वो वोट की सियासत कर सके। भारतीय जनता पार्टी सांप्रदायिक सौहार्द चाहती है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी अमन और शांति चाहती है। ऐसी निकम्मी सरकार के वश का उत्तर प्रदेश चलाना नहीं है। इनको शासन ढंग से करना चाहिए, इनको कानून व्यवस्था मेंटेन करना चाहिए, लेकिन सिर्फ बीजेपी पर इल्जाम लगाना, सुबह उठकर बीजेपी पर इल्जाम तराशी करना, ये सरकार की और उनके नेताओं की आदत सी बन गई है।
तत्काल वहां पर शांति व्यवस्था कायम होनी चाहिए और इसका प्रभाव या असर अन्य जनपदों पर न पड़े, इसके लिए भी शासन को उचित प्रबंध करने चाहिए। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की एनडीए सरकार की ओर से इस देश को नहीं जा रहा। लगातार भावनात्मक विषयों पर, लगातार संवेदनशील विषयों पर बहुत ही एक इररेस्पॉन्सिबल टिप्पणियां आ रही हैं और ये टिप्पणियां कहीं न कहीं उकसाती हैं उन तत्वों को जो तत्व ये समझते हैं कि अब हमें राज्य का संरक्षण है और हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं।